In this video, I'm going to teach you how to sync files and folders to Microsoft OneDrive. So in order to do that, you first need to head over right here to Microsoft.com and under the products, just locate OneDrive from the list. Once you're in this page, you can proceed to click on this create a free account in order to actually create your own OneDrive account. So if you already have it, you can proceed to click onto this sign in instead. I already have this, so let me just head over and then sign in. I'm currently using OneDrive for browser and this is what it looked like. So you can find right here all of my files and the likes. So I want to sync some files and folders to Microsoft OneDrive, which is actually online on browser. To do that, I just need to head over to my File Explorer and open my OneDrive directly from there. If you're not signed in yet to your OneDrive, just proceed to sign in and make sure to use the same account for your actual OneDrive Online and OneDrive Local. So head over and then do this. So once you're in here, just head over and then add in here some files. For example, let's proceed to add some pictures. I'll head over and add this fav icon. Just head over and click on this and copy. And from in there, head back to your actual OneDrive and then head over and paste the file right here. Here is the file. This will sync first. And as you can see, this will actually be available on this device. So what we can do is we can just right click onto this file, click onto this free up space, and then after that, this will delete it on this device, and this will actually sync it directly into our OneDrive Online. So let's see if this has been synced. As you can see here, it is right here. You can just locate it by going over to this part. If you haven't found it yet, you can find it on the uppermost, and here it is right here already added. So you can also do the same thing on your folders if you have it. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.